James got your maracas. Oh, we got Lee Rose's maracas. Bye, James. Let's see what Lee Rose is up to. Did you reload it?
I need all of them.
Okay, so here's one right here.
Here's one.
Oh, Colton's got more. Bring him over, Colton.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I know what's going to shoot.
You could shoot the door right there because they'll stick on the glass. Yeah. Oh, you got some. Oh, Colton wants you to go in the elevator. James, you're making your rounds. Now you're stuck.
Then I got your things.
Don't make a mess in there, Colton.
You found some? Before it closes. Open it, press.
Press the elevator button.
Yeah, press green and then it will. Here's some.
Okay, I'm pressing the elevator button. Boop.
Okay, it's not there.
I'm waiting for the elevator. Hi, James. Hi, James.
We're at the other floor. Before we open it. You go down the other elevator. Oh, we rose before it closes.
Well, let her out.
Soon it opens. You can fire it open.
Jamesy.
Fire it open, then do it.
James, shake the maracas. Uh-oh.
Say fire. Fire. Now Sue.
Well, no, she's not going to shoot out here because there's people out here.
Shoot the door open. I'll open the door. Hear what I said? Yeah, but coming right out.
Okay, here she comes.
Press the button.
Watch out of the way, Colton. Someone's coming out of the elevator.
Thank you.
All right.
Colton,
No.
open it for me.
Watch out, Colton.
It's gonna stay there. Right, sticky to the glass. We're in the haunted house floor.
Ride your giraffe over.
I steal some of your bullets.
Hey, James.
Does this open it? Oh, I got some.
You got him?
There.
All right.
Slide up the box. No, I didn't get every one of them.
James, you're getting into too much stuff.
Can I have my ghost finder back?
No, you can't have that back. Hey, could you fix the rug for you and James, please? Pull the rug back so nobody trips, sweetie. Look, right behind you. Right here. Come on.